In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update your NFL Plus subscription. Let's get started. Launch your NFL app or navigate to the official website of NFL, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now go ahead and click on three bars, then click on the profile icon given at the bottom left. Now select the option Manage Subscription, go on your current subscription. Now you're going to find the option of upgrade or downgrade. Select the plan you want, click change plan and confirm your selection. Upgrades take effect immediately on a prorated basis, while downgrades takes effect at the beginning of your next billing cycle. To update your payment information, go back to NFL subscription and select your payments. Then click edit payment info, enter your new card or payment details and select confirm to save the changes. Remember, if you subscribed NFL Plus through a third-party provider or app store, you may need to manage your subscription through that original billing platform. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.